Hello viewer, if your Messenger profile picture disappeared, follow this one method to fix Messenger profile pic not showing problem. Go to your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps, now search Messenger, tap on Messenger. Now from the lower corner, tap on uninstall. Now keep your Messenger data, so tick mark keep app data. Now uninstall Messenger app, and if you are iPhone user, go to iPhone storage from general setting and find Messenger and delete them. Now open App Store or Google Play Store. Now search Messenger. Now reinstall your Messenger app and log in with Gmail, phone or your password. If this method worked for you, leave comment and say yes, it worked for me.